My pants flat on my legs, bro. I can feel it.
It's a windy day in Panama City. Stormy. Look at that. Me neither, it's too windy. I don't. This wind is moving.
I like it though, bro. Like, feel this shit. Woo! I feel like we're walking into the storm. Look how it gets stronger and darker.